Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Replit not working or loading. So let's get started. If Replit isn't opening properly or keeps getting stuck on the loading screen, there are a few reliable fixes you can try. First, open your browser and click on the three-dot menu in the top corner. Go into Settings, then select Privacy and Security from the left-hand panel. After that, click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you find JavaScript and open it. Make sure the option that allows sites to use JavaScript is turned on. Replit depends heavily on JavaScript to function correctly, so if it's disabled, the platform may not load at all. If JavaScript is already enabled and the issue continues, move on to the second method. Go back to Privacy and Security, then choose Delete Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, set the time range to All Time, and clear the data. Corrupted or outdated cache files can sometimes prevent websites from loading properly, and clearing them often resolves the issue. If Replit is still not working after clearing your cache, the final solution is to try a different browser. If you're not already using Google Chrome, consider switching to it. You can also try Mozilla Firefox or Opera. Sometimes the problem is browser-specific, and changing browsers can instantly fix loading errors. After trying these steps, Replit should load normally again. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.